And we welcome all of you to our YouTube channel. As you know, we have created this channel to talk about our spiritual journey, mostly to talk about the teaching of our spiritual master, the Avatar Paramhamsa Nityananda, who has his Adinam, I should say, in Birdi Adinam in Bengaluru. So today our topic is Google confidence. What does it mean? Very simple. Some days back, very beautifully, Swamiji introduced that in a satsang that whatever is there in the actual education system, whatever the kids, the way they are learning in schools, colleges and all, they can have all the knowledge right now already on Google. So Google just is a vast archive where whatever you want to know, even a very simple thing to a very complicated thing, everyone has shared their knowledge. There's so many information there and you can just know everything. So you say whatever is being covered actually in any educational system around the world is just Google confident. In fact, if a child go and read, he'll get more data available on the Google for a specific topic than what is in the textbook. So it's time for the revolution. Google confidence have taken all over education system, and now the kids need to know something more, and that something more is available here at the Nityananda Gurukul, where kids are not just knowing all the knowledge they should know, they are 5 to 6 years ahead of their actual academic year, but they are just manifesting powers. So this is a new era of education. So you parents out there, we will sincerely ask you to just go learn about what kids are doing about Nityananda Gurukul. There's so many videos on YouTube how they are manifesting, and every time there's an inner awakening program, how they open up the first day of program with a great manifesting powers demos. So all these demos are available on YouTube. Let your kid get the chance to know what is the next era of education system. Whatever they are learning, it's out there in Google. Even if you want to help your child with a problem at his age, and of course you have forgotten it, you want to admit it or not, you just go on Google, you know how to do it, then you help your child. So it's outdated.
Yes.
Let's move now.
So have confidence in whatever you search, and also just learn how to search, because while you're searching, you may have encountered lots of things. Some are irrelevant, some are relevant, because on a topic, lots of research and development people has been doing all around the world, and we are compiling it, and you just have to pick the appropriate information. And here in Gurukul with manifestation of Shakti, so we use manifestation in everything that we do, whether we want to make something, or whether even we want to do some discussion with some big companies or some big contractors. So we just have to put our ideas and thoughts in their mind, and things are done. So this is how the generation here in it should be grown, and that's what we are sharing to the world. And just trust yourself, and not the old books that you have that has been already been outdated. And even, for example, like usually we had the certification, for example, in Windows. Whenever you are going to do the certification, it's already outdated, you have a new release, so what to do? And even the certification for the new release is not there. So, and you have more information on Google than elsewhere. So you see that even all this kind of certification is irrelevant. Yeah.
So especially for the parents out there who want the kids to be grown up in a different environment, not that same traditional education system that's been going like more than over 500 to 600 years or even more. Let's forget that classroom-based education. Let's get to ancient education, to the roots where kids are just excelling in all fields.
Yes, and here we focus more on the way of living, so understanding life rather than education where we have competition, stress. This all we will be doing, like getting degrees and all this. This is part of our education system, but this is not it. So we have more, and Swamiji is thinking more and more. So It's just to be here and experience the new era.
Yeah, and being in the presence of an enlightened master and Swamiji is the avatar of this youth. It's just a great, rarest opportunity that someone can have to come and be in his breathing space and learn in his school. Yeah. So we end for today with this topic. If you have any questions, suggestions, don't forget to just get back to us and contact us. We'll be happy and glad to help you.
Nityanandam.